What you doing there, Svenny? What are you doing? Okay, come on, Sven. Let's get out of here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Follow me. Come on. Silly boy. Hmm? Silly boy. Fix this one. There's the Svenny. Okay, so kind of breezy right now. Here's Nissa. Zoom in once with the Sven. Zoom in with the Nissa. Double click for the second zoom, the digital crop. And there's the Svenny. Signal another quick, come back out. So yeah, it's. I have to play with the different gimbal settings and figure out which one's which. But yeah, I think right now it's just kind of horizon locked. That's why it's kind of working like that. But yeah, it's kind of windy. I guess maybe stopped a little bit. Those behind me right there were going just a second ago. Hey, buddy. Being tracked, Svenny. You're being tracked. Are you good? You're never really sure about a camera, are you? Eh? Okay, so how's this actor track working? It's not bad. So that should be recording through the mic 3. At the same time, I'm going to hit record for the phone here and just kind of make sure it's all working. That active track is going. I should probably just put the phone back down on the table here, and that way it's all kind of working. I'll remote. I mean, I can't imagine I'm going to ever go much further than this and have the mic going. So it's just kind of a test. Walk around. Camera's probably lost me. Maybe not. It's worth a test. But yeah, okay. That seems pretty good. So there we go. Turn those both off.